Today, we'll be installing a new downpipe. Blew mine apart. It's all over the place. Probably fixing exhaust handles down there. Start off by taking off these 4 bolts. Get back to you after that. So I'm back. Had a bit of trouble getting out this bolt. The old one, there's part of it. The other portion's somewhere over there. But anyways, this one, because how close it is to this, couldn't get the bolt out. So I cut it. I really cut it. I just cut the pipe until I could get it out. And this one, had to basically do the same for, chop all the bolts, buy new ones. And then we'll throw it back up.